If you're following Depp vs. Heard, you must know that Amber Heard has lost in Virginia against Johnny Depp for the defamation suit, but what happened was she went on the Today Show pretty recently. You guys probably know about that also. However, it appears she said some defamatory things. This article says this could spur another lawsuit. Legal experts reveal Johnny Depp could take ex-wife Amber Heard to court for publishing her abuse allegations against him in today's interview. Yeah, I mean, the whole case was about her publishing the abuse that didn't take place. It was imaginary, or whatever you want to call it. So by going on TV and saying, I was right, he actually believed me, didn't she just do the same thing? This here is from June 14th, 2022. Let's see what they got. Amber Heard has opened the door for Johnny Depp to sue her once again after she doubled down on claims that he beat her in a new interview with the Today Show, with an expert telling DailyMail.com that her latest statements are grounds for a third lawsuit. What people do, like Amber Heard, who've got a certain political outlook, is they double down. They triple down. They don't admit they're wrong. And here we see that right before our eyes. During the explosive interview, which was pre-recorded on Thursday in New York City and is airing in 3 parts throughout the week, the actress, 36, called the verdict in her defamation trial against Johnny Depp unfair and insisted that she is going to stand by every word of her testimony until the day she dies, less than 2 weeks after she was found guilty of defaming her ex by claiming that he abused her during their marriage. By the way, no evidence, and actually evidence that she abused him. But of course, in her mind, which I think is a separate reality at this point to everybody else's, she was actually the victim. The 36-year-old doubled down on her allegations that Depp was physically violent towards her during their one-year marriage and accused him of lying on the stand when he said he never hit her while speaking to Today host Savannah Guthrie. Now, New York-based entertainment lawyer Nicole Half, who works at Romano Law, has revealed exclusively to DailyMail.com how Heard's comments could well backfire and result in her getting sued by the Pirates of the Caribbean star once again. Oh man, I mean, if Johnny did sue her again, if he wanted to, I guess it would be a lot less stressful for him, because the first time he was going to court to prove his innocence. Now it would just be, well, you did it again, see you in court. And he wouldn't have to really be tense and have the weight of the world on his shoulders. He could just go to court when the date comes, sit back, and let Camille and Ben do the magic. And when I say do the magic, I mean put the proof out there. Yes, this interview could count as a new publication under the law, which could spur a third lawsuit, the attorney explained when asked if Depp could sue Heard for defamation over her Today interview. And according to this website here, minklaw.com, whatever that is, you can get sued a second time for defamation. Once you are guilty of defamation, it's proved you've done it, well, you can't just go out and do it again. A defamatory statement is considered published when it is communicated either intentionally with actual malice or reckless disregard, or negligently to someone other than the person being defamed, the company added. The statement must also be reasonably understood by the recipient to be false. And I think the host on the Today Show understands what happened with the verdict. The host has to. That's the host's job. However, Half added that she isn't sure it will be a smart move for Depp to pursue a third trial against Heard, adding, Heard's lawyers have already stated that she cannot pay the original judgment. Well, it's not about the money. It's about having her not say things that aren't true and making an example of her for other people who want to do the same thing. DailyMail.com has reached out to Depp's legal team for comment. Exes Heard and Depp, who tied the knot in 2015 and were married for 1 year before Heard filed for divorce in 2016, battled it out in court to determine if a 2018 Washington Post essay written by Heard in which she accused the actor of domestic violence defamed Depp. And it definitely did. Anyway, let me know what you think about all this down below. You think it would be good if Johnny took her back to court? Not worth it? Do it for the morals? To make her stop lying in public? Not sure what you're going to say on this one. If you're not subscribed here, consider it. I'm doing shoutouts, special thanks, things like that. Depp vs. Heard, Little Manson, pop culture, whatever comes up. Ezra Miller once in a while. And if you don't subscribe here, I'll be pretty sad about it. But I'll get over it, make a new video. Something like that. Rant done for now. See you next time.